Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. Today I'm sharing with you this chicken feet octopus papaya soup recipe. Now my mom prepares this traditional soup, which is super healthy and delicious for the whole family. However, it is especially known in Chinese culture that is the ultimate lactation soup when you're breastfeeding. You can just imagine the rich flavors in the soup with all these ingredients that go in to make the soup broth. This is truly one of my most favorite traditional soups to drink. Let's start by soaking 1 cup of peanuts and 2 pieces of dried tangerine peel. Then soak 2 small dried octopus. Rinse 6 to 7 chicken feet. Now you can add a little bit more if you want to have more chicken flavor in your broth. Rinse 2 pounds of pork bone. Now again, you can add a little bit more if you would like a stronger broth. Now let's boil some water to blanch the chicken feet and pork bone. To prepare the papaya, first remove the top of the papaya and then remove the skin from the papaya. Cut the papaya into quarters and then remove the seeds from the papaya. Rinse the papaya clean, and then we're going to cut the papaya into smaller pieces. Cut the papaya into 1 to 2 inch pieces. You do not want to make the papaya too thin, as it will be really hard to pick up when you go to eat it later. Now that you've soaked the octopus and it has softened, you will need to remove any debris that you find on the octopus. Cut the octopus into small chunks. Rub the tangerine peel clean and drain the water from the peanuts. Now let's blanch the chicken feet and the pork bone. Add it to the water and bring the water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, rinse the chicken feet and the pork bone clean. You will also need to rinse your pot clean so that we can make the soup. Add the clean chicken feet and pork bone to your soup pot. You will also need to add 2 liters of water into the soup pot. You will need to add enough water so that all your contents are submerged in the water. Because you're adding the dried octopus into this soup, you will also need to add ginger to the soup. Remove the skin from the ginger and then slice the ginger. Add the ginger and the octopus to the soup pot. Add the tangerine peels and peanuts to your soup pot. Cover your soup pot and bring the water to a boil, and then simmer on low-medium heat for 1.5 hours. After simmering for 1.5 hours, you will notice the octopus, chicken feet, and pork bone soften. Add the papaya to the soup pot. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and continue to simmer until the papaya softens to your liking. This normally takes about 20 to 25 minutes. I hope you get a chance to try this delicious soup that is packed with flavor and super healthy for you. If you want to see more traditional Chinese soup recipes, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.